Hello, welcome to Capsim 2023 Round 3 guide. This video gives the detailed guides and tips to save the company from round 2. This is an example when the team did wrong in round 1, so we need round 2, 3 and 4 to fix the issue. So if you watch this video, it is very good experience that you should start Capsim right from round 1, because if you make the mistake in round 1, it will require round 2 and 3 and maybe 4 to fix IND and get back good sale and profit, and it still get the top sale and profit in round 8. So this is the round 3 decision you see on the screen. We update the IND. We continue update the IND, right? And add a new product in another product, so we can double sale and profit from round 4 to save to get back good sale and profit. Because the team did something wrong in round 1, so we need to be very careful with performance and size. We adjust by increase the performance and reduce size by a few points to make sure the new products are launched in the same year from June to October, so we have enough time to sell the new product and limit the time to update the product less than a year. So we check the launching date again for each product to make sure. This is round 3 screen again. This is round 3 guide and tip for the company to save the company from round 2, right? They did something wrong in round 1, the team did something wrong in round 1, so we need to fix that in round 2 and 3 and maybe 4, and then from round 5 we can get top sale and profit to lead the game in this competition, right? So we look at the screen again. It is IND screen. We need to update the product again and again, performance and size. If you want to understand about the detail of update, you should check the video of round 2, and then you can get the basis for IND update come from industry condition report and career report. You can also use the free Excel file to calculate IND faster and more precisely. But now we look at round 3. We need to fix performance and size by increase performance and size and reduce size a little bit. Increase the performance and reduce size a little bit to make sure we have the right launching date. And now the marketing decision. We look at the price first. We can check the price based on the production cost from career report, and also we can check the competitor prices, and you can use a reference from the Excel file to get the right price for the product. We applied a broad differentiation strategy, so good product, high quality product, good price, and strong promotion and sales, right? So you see on the screen, we reduce the price by 50 cents for round 3 and increase the promotion and sale budget to get better sales. But remember that please note that round 3 always for Capsim 2023, Capstone 2023, we always have the total market demand recession in round 3, so we will sell less than planned. But don't worry about that. From round 4 and 5, we can get back a very good sale and profit and can lead the game from round 6 to 8, right? So we calculate the sale focus. This is very important. Calculate the sale focus for round 3. We take the career report and copy the number of units we sold from last round to the Excel file, and then we can get the sale focus, right? And multiple by the segment growth. You check the segment growth from industry condition report and also from career report, right? For the last round growth rate, we can calculate to sale focus. Round 3 again, do not expect to sell too much in round 3, because round 3 always has a total market demand recession. So be careful when you add capacity for calculate the sale focus for round 3, right? Do not add too much. About 5% is enough. Or you can just get the last unit we sold from last round multiple by segment growth only, right? Do not have to add 5 or 10 or 15% SDRs around for round 3. So on the screen you see the production. Production we have here. We just use the Excel file to calculate production by sale focus, deduct inventory, and then remember to add a new capacity for the new product. We have added 2 products in round 2 and 1 more product in round 3, so we have 3 new products in round now. So we need to add enough new capacity for the new 3 products. That is the key to gain back the good sale and profit from round 4. So if you are watching this video, and you have started round 1 and round 2, yeah, don't worry too much. Just try to keep investor and update R&D and invest in production, invest in new products, and then the new product can gain by good sale and profit from round 4. So we need also add a new capacity for the new product, and also you increase automation for all the product to save costs and increase the product quality. If you have not get the good sale and profit in round 3, it's okay, you can get it back from round 4. We need to invest first, and then we can get back good sale and profit later. We cannot get two objectives at the same time, right? So take the decision for production screen again, and then we move to human resource decision. We use 3 hours and 340 hours for recruitment and training, 40 hours. And also for finance, we use 3 sources of fund. You own the 3 sources of funds now to avoid the emergency loans and our cash, not enough cash of operation. So we need to use all the 3 sources of funds: stock, SU, short-term and long-term loans, right? So that's an overview of decision to save the company from round 2, decision for round 3. So we can check the pro forma income, yeah, good sale, good profit, and some good sale and good contribution margin and good net profit. So if you need the support, send the email. If you check the website for more detail. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.